I would like to introduce you today to an experiment that I would love for you to do, and you can do it with what you probably already have in your own home. It only takes a few minutes to get it set up and a couple of days to see results. So, my name is Vicki Manitou Okas, and let me show you what I'm talking about. This is a fun experiment to try, and it usually works with mint family, and this is a mint. This is a cutting that I purchased, organic mint cuttings that I purchased at the grocery store. These have been in the water for about a week, so I took them out of the container. I bought the best mint that I could find. Took it out of the container and put it in the water for about a week. And mints will usually root. And let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that. That's 4 cuttings, and all of those have tiny little roots. They're not ready to pot up yet, but you can root cuttings, grocery store herb cuttings, some of them, in water if you give it enough time. So the mint family works best, and that is a spearmint, or either spearmint or peppermint. It just said mint, and that is filtered water in there to give that a chance to grow. So that is one thing that you can do to start growing your own plants in your own space. So come and join us, and we're going to learn together on August 8th. We're going to start learning together on August 8th to grow one tiny garden in one tiny space in a tiny amount of time. So you can grow food and herbs in your space. So come and join us. And today, like, subscribe, and we will talk to you next time.